Good evening sa inyong lahat, no? At ngayon, gabi pala tayo mag-vlog kasi nandito kami ngayon sa one na pinakamagandang plaza dito sa Iloilo. At itutour namin kayo ngayon dito mismo. Try natin ikaw kasi first time din namin gagala ni Ira dito. Kaya check natin kung totoo ba talaga na maganda ito dito sa Iloilo. Ito daw kasi yung pinakamaganda, sabi nila. Kaya itutour natin at kasama kayo. Kaya let's go, papakita namin sa inyo. Kayo na din mag-judge kung totoo ba talaga. So andito na kami guys, naglalakad na kami papunta dun. We're walking.
I'm so excited because I've heard, I will take it. I'm so excited guys because I've heard so much about Molo Plaza and Molo Mansion. It's such a beautiful, look at that, it's so gorgeous. It looks like a castle.
Andito na kami sa plaza ngayon guys. Isasabihin ko na sa inyo kung saan kami. Andito pala kami sa Molo Plaza. Ang ganda ng simbahan nila guys. Ang laki. Yung simbahan dito guys ay para talagang castle. Kaya grabe yung ganda ng simbahan nila dito.
This is gorgeous. It looks like a castle. Like I will live there in a princess dress. Look me there.
So, ang ganda dito guys kasi ang lawak dito at ang famous talaga dito. At ang una pala namin pupuntahan guys, ito yung Molo Mansion nila na tinatawag. So Molo Mansion, harap lang din siya ng Molo Plaza. So andito na kami.
Okay guys, this is house tour of my new house.
There, show them.
This is my new house, my new mansion that I just bought yesterday.
Welcome them.
This is thumbnail. Okay, so welcome. This is my own private fountain. Just installed it literally last night, and it's not up to my standard quite yet. Should be a little taller. But you see, it's what it is. The gardener needs to be fired first. Yeah, and I like more roses here, but you know, I just moved in last week. So. This is my dream house, like dream house Barbie house, dream Barbie house. Look at that. Look at that house. Yes, guys, come here, come here. Yes, guys, I'm a new millionaire. Can you see it? Can you smell it? Look at my house. Stunning. Wow. Yes, I know. You're impressed. You want to be me. I know. I know. I also.
Pabayaan mo na yung sinasabi ni Ira guys. So ito pala yung Molo Mansion. Ayan.
This is my house.
Ang ganda din dito guys kasi makapag-chill ka at marami din guard kasi at least malinis at safety din yung place na ito at marami din kainan. So dyan sa likod puro yan siya mga kakainan nyo guys, kaya ang ganda din dito. So pwede kayo dito mag-dine in at nakaka-relax talaga kasi chill lang yung kan at ang linis din. May schedule pa lang nga pwede kayong pumasok 10 to 7 PM. Hindi kami nakaabot ni Ira kasi mga almost 8 na man siguro. Kaya hindi kami nakapasok. At ang ganda talaga dito guys. Oh. Hope next time makakapasok din tayo dito.
I'm shy now.
So ayun guys.
Nine is shy. Why you have to do it when I look like this? Okay guys, so now we're done with that. This is my backyard chapel, just for my church, my private church. This is the church. I'm really proud of this one. It's so beautiful, love it. Only for me. Look. all these peasants. I don't know what they're doing here. I need to get the guard to throw them out. My soldier is bluffing. I need a new one.
Feeling. Ira is a feeling. No, your dancing fountain, why is not working?
Yeah, I don't know. My people, I really need to upgrade my people. Is anyone want to be a job at my house? In my chapel? My house. My chapel, sorry. My house is on the other side. I'm really so tired because
Oi, there you go again.
I'm really so tired because my driver made me have to walk like all the way inside this plaza of the chapel because the horses were tired because they broke their foot. But it's not my fault. You can get a new horse.
Nandito kami ngayon sa street food nila at marami din silang binibenta at hindi kasi ako sure sa mga binibenta nila pero safe naman para sa atin pero para kay Ira hindi tayo sure. So ito na ang binili ko kay Ira guys. Bubukas talaga sila ng fresh one ng bago. So ayun bubuksan nila para kay Ira. Sabaw lang daw for only 40 pesos guys.
Moisture and hydrating thing more than water.
The safest, the cleanest.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
I will.
Yang saman? Crispy?
Okay, I will try the coconut.
It's good?
That's hydrating.
Let me try.
It's really different than water. Like you don't, with water you feel kind of like full, like in
Yeah.
your stomach. But this is not.
So, ito lang binili natin guys kasi kakakain lang namin dun sa Jollibee. So, at si Ira nagsalad na din si Ira kaya ayun, busog-busog na rin tayo kaya ito juice lang. Panulak. Ang sarap din. May 10 pesos kag 20 pesos lang din ito. Bali, potato man natin, no? Potato.
Potato twister.
Try din natin, guys. It's really good. Pasok na muna kami dito sa Robinson nila. Harap lang din, guys. Kaya ang ganda talaga dito na plaza kasi malapit lang lahat. like kanang gid. Harap-harapan lang gid. At dyan kami naka-parking, oh. So, kaya ano dyan. So, andito kami ngayon sa Pandi, Manila. First time din natin makapasok dito. Ayun, oh, may kanin sila, malunggay. Malunggay pandesal. Kuha muna siguro na tayo dito. Ira, you want it, Ira? Ayan sila. You want this? Yeah, you want this?
Pesto po yung favorite.
Oh, your favorite. Pesto guys. Cheese stick. May mga jam din sila. So ayun, first time try Pandi Manila, the ice cream.
Hala. What on earth?
It's good?
It really tastes like mango. Like this is really like they put real mango, just put in and frozen mango, no?
Lasang-lasa yung talaga yung mango at milk niya guys. Bali, sarap. Natural talaga yung lasa niya at ang sarap niya guys. Hindi tinipid sa ingredients. Mura lang din siya. Good for the price. Gusto niyo din mag-try? Diyan lang yan sa Pandi, Manila. Let's go.
Good evening guys. It's already late now. We're on our way. We're almost home. So yes. I think we're all tired because we've been out basically the whole day. So yeah, it will be nice to land at home. Yep.
Nakauwi na pala kami dito ngayon. So, nakauwi na kami kasi nakakapagod na din doon. At ganda talaga doon guys. Nabili niya kanina na pesto na cheese stick at itatry niya for the first time. Okay. Olia also want to try? Olia?
I'll just take this. It really smells like pesto. It really smells so weird.
It's good?
This is really yummy.
The pesto taste is really there and their bread is really soft and good and creamy. Like it's good. Every bite there's like a smoke or a air coming out that tastes like a pesto.
What the?
Mhm.
You food reviewer?
It's really good, guys. What's up, guys? So, ayun yung vlog natin for today. So, thank you for watching always our vlog. And we have a surprise very, very soon. And we are surprising it for you. So, keep on our vlog,
Yes.
meeting someone to us.
I think next vlog, no?
Next vlog, I think.
You'll see our...
Surprise! So, thank you. Keep on update. Let's go.
Bye.